Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to actually design a holiday party invitation with Evite. So the first thing we have to do here is to go to our Evite homepage, and that's going to evite.com. So since we want to design a um, a holiday party, all we have to do is to go to the search bar here and type in holiday party or party. So we can click on it, and then or we can just choose the party section here, and then it will show us all the types of holidays we want to we can celebrate all holidays: 4th of July, Memorial Day, Father's Day, Mother's Day, Juneteenth, and the all other types of parties. So once you've seen a will I say an a template, rather, sorry guys, a template that speaks to you, you can select it and go on to edit or customize it to your taste. So this is it, guys. You click on it, and it should bring you to a page where you can do other edits and make it or spice up your invites. So from here you can click on any of these text to get them edited. Now you can type whatever it is you want to type here, go to the next one, do the same, add whatever you want to add, go to the next one and do the same, add, make sure these details are actually correct, and then you can go proceed to add your background effects, envelope, your reviews if necessary. And then the next step will be to click on next, where you get to add the title um of your program, of your event rather. So once you are done with this, you can now add your guests. So this is how to actually design a holiday party invitation with Evite. If this video has been helpful to you guys in any way, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day.